Children, today I am going to conduct a class test, online class test. So already describe all the things how you have to attempt. So in between the test, nobody will ask anything. Be prepared. You have time of 3 to 5 minutes. Take your time. Be prepared. Then we will start the test. Okay. If you want to start the test, so all of you need to show me your thumbs up. Then I got to know कि we are ready now. We can start now. The mobile users, you are knowing what you have to do. है ना? First of all, you need to what? You must need to browse with Chrome browser. Sign with Chrome browser. Keep it in a desktop mode. Yes, Pooja.
Ma'am, sir. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Is it
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Sur
No,
na?
ma'am.
You are Sur.
Yes, ma'am.
So why it is written
Yes.
Pooja? Huh?
Ma'am, it's not changing my mother's name.
Okay. Is it okay now? Um, attend the class with your own name, children, because attendance is going on. Yes. Okay. So without wasting time, let's start. Shall we? Okay, fine. So here I'm going to share the link. Just 2 minutes. Okay. And you got your link. Now sharp 9:05. It is 9:03, but sharp 9:05 to 9:35 I will count. Okay, children? All of you are knowing what you have to do. Ma'am, it is telling. Leave that email part. Leave that. It's not your part. It is for me. Children, the first column, write your email address. Leave that part. It is not for you. It's for me. You just start with your name and ID. Children, you start your answer sheet, your name and ID, then all the questions. Yes, Laksh? You are not.
मैम वो नेम एंड आईडी का मैम नेम एंड आईडी लिखने का वो मतलब मैम लिखा नहीं रहा है.
अरे बेटा कैसे बोलते हो आप लोग? यहाँ से मैं लिख रही हूँ, मेरा लिखा रहा है. आप लोग डबल क्लिक करिए, प्रॉपर नेटवर्क में रहिए, फिर होगा. आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग द सेम. Yes, I am able to write here. Look at here. I have written here Sona Kaur. आप लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं लिखा नहीं रहा है, फिर कुछ स्टूडेंट लिख के भेज देते हैं. हाँ, if it is not possible, it means it is not possible for all. And if possible, please keep on your videos, because I am here able to see most of you have video options. Keep on your video. I want to see all of you. I am able to see only Ishika Sethia. Okay, Shelly, Pulkit, Sakshi, Bhumika. Good. Keep on your videos, all of you. Sur, Rishika. Sur, video on करो अपना. And start solving your question paper. Start solving it. Yes, I am able to see Naman also. Naman, keep on your video. It's compulsory to keeping on your video. Okay, fine. Those who are not keeping on their video, I'm going to cut their 2 marks. -2 would be there. Fine. I'm noting down your name. You can see me. Those who are on their video. It's Ishika Sethia, Sakshi, Bhumika, Rishika, Naman, Sur, Pulkit, Saksham, Tanvi, Rashi and Keshav. I'm taking a screenshot of it. And rest, Shelly also. Rest all, I'm going to -2. Give -2. Deep. Yes, Laksh. Means all the time you need, that is threatening, है ना? Chaitanya, keep on your video. Yes, Lavanya Bagrecha is also there. Saksham. Good. Keshav, what happened, beta? Why you cannot give answers? Rajat, ma'am, I have a problem. Ma'am, मेरा video खराब है. Chaitanya, unable to write name. If you will double click on the particular line, you will get a chance to write your name and just type there your name. If you are using cell phone, please keep your phone in a desktop mode. पुलकित, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल बेटा कि आप अपना नाम नहीं लिख पाओगे. केशव, व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम? केशव बोलो बेटा. यहाँ से मैं आपको अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ, आप बोलो.
Ma'am, I cannot give the answers.
Why? What's the problem?
Ma'am, don't know. I am clicking. Ma'am, I am clicking the matlab, means option, so it is not.
It's not responding. How it is possible,
Yes,
beta? The setting is same for all. The setting is same for the all. For all, it means you must be. Yes, Disha, I am sending बेटा. आप जरूर मतलब आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम होगा नेट में बेटा. प्लीज चेक योर नेट.
yes.
ये लो लिंक एक बार और. Disha, you asked for link na? I'm also same link I'm using and I'm also doing the same question. Yes, Chaitanya? What happened here?
मैम आई वाज टेलिंग दैट मैम मेरा वीडियो खराब हो गया, चालू नहीं हो रहा है.
It's
मैम
okay.
आप मार्क्स नहीं काटोगे ना?
मैं नाम यहाँ पे नोट करके रखती हूँ. I will no, I will get the marks. But try to keep on your video, huh? And link is all right. कहाँ गया केशव? Link is all right बेटा. पुलकित का नाम लिखाया? दिशा देखो ना बेटा, लिंक अभी भेजा है फॉर एवरीवन करके. यहाँ से शो हो रहा है मेरे डेस्कटॉप में. Okay, I am sending you this in personally. दिशा मिला लिंक? Have you got it? रजत, दर्शन, रौनक, रिद्धिमा, जैनम रामपुरिया, भवी, Piyush, Bhavi, I know your video is working properly. Then after, yes, one question is repeated. It's good, na? It's good for you. You will get bonus mark. जो गलत करेगा उसका तो फिर. भूमि, keep on your Bhavi video on करो. I intentionally repeat one question for you, checking the presence of mind. Yes, Kunjan also come. Rajat. Who is this Darshan Singh? Darshan, please keep on your video, beta. I think you are a new student. I'm taking a screenshot of it. Let me check how many of you are responding. है ना? It's 9:14, 9:15. 20 minutes more. Bhumika, is there any doubt? No. Okay. चलो बोलो.
Ma'am, I was telling that I have written all the question. I have clicked to submit, but it is showing to write email ID.
अच्छा, it's showing, but it is
Yes, ma'am.
do you have email ID of yours or
My mother, I will put.
also written there?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Chaitanya. Chaitanya, बोलो.
I was telling that I didn't understand how to in the test.
Sorry, you are not audible. Please text me.
Ma'am, your voice.
Chaitanya, please text me. If you don't have any email ID, please write my email ID there, okay? Now you are asking Chaitanya, ma'am test कैसे join करना है? That day we practice for the same. Now you are asking, just click on the link, you will get a question sheet. And then after you have to solve all the MCQs, only MCQs are there. Got it, Chaitanya? My goodness. Chaitanya, please check your net because your voice was not clear here. Chaitanya, are you able to listen me, beta? I sent you some text. Okay. Please. For answer sheet, no link is there, beta. If you will click on the link, you will get question sheet. उसी question sheet में आपको answer देना है, click करना है correct option पे. Chaitanya, are you getting my points? And then at the last you will get option of submit. Click on that submit option for submission and automatically answer sheet will submit to me. Oh, day before yesterday we practiced the same for the same. Then after you committing such type of mistakes, and Chaitanya आज मार खाएगा मेरे से, ऑनलाइन मार. Got it? Children, you have only 15 minutes. Chaitanya, I think you are facing net problem because I sent you in private. Chaitanya, please send me your phone number. Chat box में अपना phone number लिख के दो. So, children, all the questions are very easy. Mixed questions are there. Some questions are bit tough. Some are very easy. Some are of normal level, है ना? And all the questions are मीन सफल, ऐसा नहीं कि चैप्टर 1 then chapter 2 then chapter 3 like this. All the questions are suffered. Read the question properly, then answer. Half an hour is sufficient, है ना, for just taking. If you are attentive in the class, you read, you listen properly all the things what is taught in the class, so you will be able to answer all the questions. Yes, feeling like examination hall. All of you are concentrating to reading your questions. Good. Okay, let me check Bhumika's answer. Bhumika, you have submitted now, beta? Ishika also submitted. Bhumika also submitted. Now Sakshi Nahata also submitted. Sakshi, write your Sakshi submitted, but without name, just written her email ID. Huh? साक्षी, अपना ईमेल आईडी लिखियो, बट अपना नाम नहीं लिखियो. अपना स्टूडेंट आईडी लिखियो, आपने अपना नाम नहीं लिखियो. It is there, Saksham. I just read it. You just. Student's name and ID is written over there, dear. You need to write your name, then in bracket or dash करके अपनी ID. Okay. So Lavanya Bagrecha also submitted. Rishika. Good. Rishika Nahata. Hmm. Ten minutes only. You have 10 minutes only. Laksh, Gunjan, Naman, Rajat, Ronak, Riddhima, Jainam, Bhavi, Piyush, Moksh. You are going to get -2. नमन का ऑन हो गया, मतलब -2 के लिए ऑन कर लेंगे, बट मैम बोल रही इसलिए ऑन नहीं करेंगे. यस लक्ष्य, गुंजन, ठीक है. आई एम टेकिंग स्क्रीनशॉट. Let me check how many of you have submitted. Good, 6 children. Laksh Jain also submitted. Good. So, children, those who are submitting their answers, are you satisfied? Laksh, are you satisfied? Yes, Moksha आ गया. Okay, take your time. It's not only 4 minutes. It's 10 minutes. Seven minutes now. After 7 minutes, children, listen to me carefully. I will stop the option of response. Then you cannot submit your answers. Got it? Got it there, children? Here, one option is there, accepting response, it is on. Just after 7 minutes, I will off it. Then after you cannot submit your answer. So try to do on or before time. Okay. Saksham also submitted. Saksham Jain also submitted. Naman Jain. And the till now highest score is 24. The highest score is 24. Till now, highest score is 24. Yes, Rashi. बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, in the email address,
Email ID what?
ma'am, आपकी email ID डालनी है कि
आपके पास है अपना email? Do you have your own email ID?
हाँ मैम.
है तो अपना डालो.
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
if you don't have, then write mine. है ना? Okay, I got 10 response. Saksham, Naman, Sur. Till now, highest score is 24. भूमिका, जब भी हम एग्जाम देते हैं ना बेटा, we should have a great patience. First of all, read the question properly. Then after submitting, check your answers properly. है ना? No doubt you are a brilliant student. But what it happens sometimes just because of our eagerness, है ना? So it is also an exam tips. You read the question properly, then take your time, then after start writing, after giving answers. Okay, children, why I am conducting such type of exam? Because in this year, this COVID-19, just because of this pandemic, 50% of your questions would be in the form of MCQs. ठीक है. और हमको क्या लगता है, MCQ तो बहुत अच्छा है, अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे को टिक. It should not be there. है ना? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You take just because you are knowing the authentic answer, correct answer, है ना? Then only you can tick. Otherwise, all the things would be akkad bakkad bambe ko. Rajat and Rashi also submitted. Hmm. Is the second highest is 23. The first highest is 24 and the second highest is 23. Till now, first highest is 24 and the second highest is 23. I thought all of you will get 30 out of 30 because all the questions are very easy. Very few questions are there, bit twisted or the related to our current environment. Hmm? Okay, children, we have only 2 minutes in our hand. Only 2 minutes. Those who has not submitted, please submit. I am going to start countdown. Only 1 minute in our hand. So be prepared for it. Be ready for it. Those who have not submitted, please submit it. Because after 1 minute, I am going to close it. Completed, children? Yes. No issue, Rasi. It's good, beta. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone wants to submit now? I'm going to stop it. Children, do you want to listen your marks? It is Bhumika. Wait, I will share it. Okay. Children, I will share it. I will share it in your class group. WhatsApp class group is there, na? There I will share it. Yes, Shelly, want to say something, beta? So tomorrow again we will continue with our topic. Be prepared for that. Okay. I will try to make 10 questions every day if we will get time. Otherwise, if you want, we can do after completing the chapter. We can after each and every chapter we can play this game. Okay, Laksh, हाँ बोलो बेटा fast because we have only 1 minute time.
Ma'am, every day you will take the test. Every day you will take test.
Not test बोलने से आप सब बहुत पैनिक हो जाते हो. We will just play a game of MCQ if you children want. If you children want, are you okay with it? Are you all
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will continue with our chapter. Okay. So enjoy. हाँ चैतन्य please tell बेटा.
हाँ मैम, मैं बोल रहा था कि मैम मेरे को ना 18 मिला 30 में, लेकिन कुछ कंसर्न था मैम क्वेश्चन के रिगार्डिंग.
Okay.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है कि आपने पूछा है कि मतलब जो इंडियन स्टेट है वो मतलब रिलीजन से क्या इन्वॉल्व है या फिर छोड़ दिया है, मतलब रिलीजन पे सेपरेटेड है और बाकी ऐसी कोई ऑप्शन. तो मैम मैं कहना चाह रहा था कि बुक में खुद लिखा था कि यूएसए बस रिलीजन से सेपरेट है, वो कुछ नहीं कर सकती इंटरफेयर रिलीजियस मैटर में, बट इंडिया में वो नीदर सेपरेटेड है नीदर मतलब अटैच्ड है उससे. तो मैम आप तो लिख दियो कि मतलब सेपरेटेड है, जबकि
ये
दोनों ही नहीं था.
रिलीजन से सेपरेशन है ये
तो लिखा
not-
दोनों नहीं है.
No, we cannot say that. While discussing the secularism chapter, I told you that in a special condition है ना, only in a special condition. बेटा ये off हो जाएगा. We have only 1 minute, less than